Welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today I will show you how to see when someone is last online on your Roblox. Hey guys, so unfortunately Roblox no longer shows the exact last online status on profiles for privacy reasons. Here's you can still do. So follow or friend them with your friends. Next is you can check if they're currently online by visiting their profile. Let's say this one. Just click on them and you can see their status. It will show now in experience or online if they are. So he's not online right now because I cannot see now in experience or online status on its profile. You can also use chat or friends tab if your friends then go to your last chat or friends list. It may show last seen recently if this was enabled. Say let's oh, doesn't enable right here, but it will say it for that. Next is you can game join info. Some games display when users last played. If the game's developer enabled tracking. That's all.